Hello guys, let us take a look at this question. So it says that the value of the limit x tends to pi by 4 cot cube x minus tan x divided by cos of x plus pi by 4. So first step is, okay, as we have already seen, what we'll do is we'll substitute this limit. Okay, put x is equal to pi by 4 in the numerator and the denominator. So we'll substitute the value of x, what do we get? So cot cube x, so it will be cot pi by 4 whole cube. Cot pi by 4 is 1, so it will be 1 cube, so 1 cube is 1, minus tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is also 1, so 1 minus 1. Then in the denominator we have cos of x plus pi by 4. So x will be pi by 4. So it will become pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So that's pi by 2, means 90. So cos 90 is what? 1. So, cos 90 is 0. So we have 0 in the denominator and 1 minus 1 in the numerator, so that is also 0. So 0 by 0. So this form is 0 by 0. So either we can use rationalization or you can use L'Hospital's rule. In this question, let us use L'Hospital's rule, okay, because the powers are a little complicated. So let's try to solve using that. So what we'll do, we'll first differentiate, okay, the numerator and the denominator with respect to x. Let's do that. So cot cube x, so that will become 3 cot square x, sorry, this is not dot, okay, 3 cot square x, and then what is the differentiation of cot x? Differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. So this is going to be minus cosec square x. Then we have minus tan x. So differentiation of tan x is sec square x. Okay, so we have sec square x here divided by, then we have cos of x plus pi by 4. So differentiation of cos is minus of sine, right? So this will become minus sine x plus pi by 4, and then differentiation of x plus pi by 4, okay, with respect to x is 1. So dot 1. So that we don't need to write. So I'll just remove this. So this is our final expression, okay? This is the numerator and the denominator. And now we have limit x tends to pi by 4. So let us substitute this value, okay? So we have differentiated now, and let's now substitute the value, right? So this will become what? So we have 3 cot square x, okay? So this will be 3. So what you can do is, okay, either you can convert all these expressions into very simple forms, okay, like convert everything into sine and cos, okay, and then solve it, okay. So in that case, okay, it becomes very easy to use, because you only have to remember the values of sine pi by 4 and cos pi by 4, like that. Otherwise, if you remember all the values, okay, very nicely, cot square x, what is sec square x, what is cosec square x, okay, all these values you remember for all the different angles, then also it's fine, okay. But I think it'll be easy if we just convert everything into sine and cot. So this I can write as 3. So 3 cot square x. Now cot we already know, so we can just write it cot square x. So cot pi by 4 is 1. So this will be 3 into 1. And then we have minus cosec square x. So this is what? Minus 1 upon sine square x. Right? I can write this as 1 upon sine square x, and sine square x, and put pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 is what? 1 by root 2, and 1 by root 2 whole square will be 2. 1 by root 2 whole square will be 1 by 2, right? So this will become 2, because it will go in the numerator, right? Then we have sec square x. Sec square x can I write as 1 upon cos square x, right? And what is cos pi by 4? Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So cos square x will be 1 by 2, right? And then you have to invert it, okay? So when you will invert it, you will get 2, because we want sec square x, right? Then we have minus sine x plus pi by 4. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 you already know is how much? 1. Okay, so minus 1. So now if you just solve this, what are we getting? So we are getting 3 into 2 is minus 6, minus 2 upon minus 1. So this becomes minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 upon minus 1. So our answer is 8, okay, because minus minus cancels each other. So our correct answer is D. So if you remember, you see, the main thing is, okay, in this question, okay, you should remember, okay, all the values of cot pi by 4, cosec pi by 4. But if you do not know, just convert these expressions into sine and cos, okay, because sine and cos is something that everyone remembers, right? And then you solve it, Okay, then it'll be very easy, and you the chances of mistakes are also less. Okay, so that's the answer to this question. Thanks for watching.